Yeah, I could do the F4 with the F-15 again. I mean the F4 with the F-14 again, if you want. Oh, it's flying over there is so much better than here. Do what you want. All right. That's nasty mess in here. Let's go fly this like an idiot. And since I'm flying with my back to the sun, I don't need glasses.
Coming out with something new.
They need to, you're right. I think there's more in the works, I just don't know what.
Yeah, I don't care like
I like that big Corsair.
Yeah.
Timer cleared.
Spitfire is my answer to that.
I haven't seen the two together. I think that the Corsair is even faster.
Probably, but out of Oakdale, man.
Oh yeah, that was beautiful.
Never had that much fun. I'm considering selling it.
Let's fly like an idiot.
Gear up.
The lights that Nate put on there ended up working out really good.
Oh wow, yeah, you can see it.
Especially the flashes. Ooh, stalled.
Oh yeah?
Yep.
It looked like you wanted to do
Just
that.
roll with it. No, you roll with it.
I was like, oh, that's kind of cool.
You roll with it and it's good. Don't fight it. Go
Time
with it.
remaining 2 minutes.
That's right.
I wonder if the guy sold this to is still flying.
I don't know. He flies at Dumbarton. We need to go. I need to go out there one day.
Or if it's stuck with.
He got better.
You got all the lights. Oh.
That's Nate that did the lights. What I've noticed with this thing is once you pick up speed, if you are able to keep the nose down and keep that speed going, it just keeps getting faster and faster. It'll be close.
Time remaining 1 minute.
This thing, I've
You can whip it real nice.
I've slowly fallen in love with this thing because it's just.
It whips really.
Oh yeah. Doesn't matter what you do. It just does it. And I have a gyro in there, so it stops it right away. It's just the lemon.
30 seconds.
Now when I fly this with the 6000, it really goes ape shit.
Oh, you can get you some 100 CPAP.
I'm going to.
Oh,
I'm going to try some of those and see.
You're gonna love it.
10, 9, gear down, 8, 7,
You
6,
love
5,
it.
4,
Because I fly with the HRBs and it's really good.
One.
But I'm sure those
Time
100Cs will be even better. How much are those? How much are those ones you're talking about?
Like 110.
Each?
Yeah.
Ooh.
But HRBs, you gotta, cause I flew HRBs and I was not impressed.
That could have been a little softer, but oh well.
Listen, once you try 100C, dude, you are not gonna go back. It's just
Oh, most places, most of them aren't 100C.
yeah, it's the thing. It's just like
If it's, I mean, even if it's a true 50C, it'll be good. These are the 65C 5000. They work pretty good, but they're small, so you don't get as much, you know, if you really push it. Yeah. Well, it's not just that they bottom out, it's just you use the whole pack. So I'm waiting for one of those 6000s to charge. Good stuff. Dang, I smell all the diesel still.
Huh?
I still smell all the diesel.
oh,
Alright. Turbines. Turbines. Like a headdress. Like the headdress. It's not a headdress, people.